numbness and tingling to your hands and feet. Here are 5 techniques you can do at home.
Numbness in your hands and fingers. There's so many causes to, numbness and tingling in your hands. It could be carpal tunnel, it could be from your neck, it could be from your elbow. So this is one exercise, actually 2 exercises that can help stimulate blood circulation and temporarily alleviate some of the numbness. So number 1, you're going to do the scissor slap. So scissor slap, okay? I just call it a scissor slap. It looks like a scissors, so scissor slap. Don't forget your thumb area. So you're going to do this for 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds, 30 times, 30 times. Number 2, scrub your fingers. You want to scrub your fingers, right? Scrub your fingers. You want to scrub your fingers. You're going to feel your fingers get warm. That's what you want it to do. Increased blood circulation regenerates nerves, which decreases this numbness and tingling and pain. Numbness in your feet. 3 exercises that you can do. Number 1 is similar to the hands. You want to insert, you want to scrub your feet. So insert in between your fingers and your toes. You want to scrub them right there, right? Do this for 30 seconds. Number 2, you want to individually rotate each single toe 30 seconds for each single toe. That's number 2 exercise. Number 3, you want to rotate your whole ankle. You want to make sure nothing is impinging on the blood circulation that's going to your foot and to your toes. You do this every single day. Do it 3 times, all 3 exercises.